That looks very suspicious.
Hands freezing up.
We're back. It's been nice. We've had a couple of days off. We've been to the lakes, so we haven't really had much chance to do the van. So we've got a nice day. We're fingers crossed, hoping to get the fan in today. Only issue is because we've been away for a few days, all our stuff's kind of gone, missing. We need to find it all first, and we've only got a few hours. So first plan of action, find all that stuff. We finally have a fan. How exciting. We have no idea if it works because we haven't actually wired it up yet, which maybe wasn't a good idea to do, but hey, we'll see if it works and plug it all in. We didn't go for the Max Air fan purely because we didn't really want to spend £300. Will we regret a decision? We don't know. Obviously only time will tell. If it comes to it, we'll obviously put a Max fan in the end. Once we've tried and tested this one, but for now we've gone ahead and just bought just a standard van fan. I'll drop the link in the comments section, and you can have a look. It was a lot cheaper. Obviously it was really easy to fit. Again, I can't say how good it is, but as soon as we know, we'll let everyone know. Yeah, that was our van. Again, we, as always, nothing goes to plan. We did the fan and I actually gave both myself and Lewis the wrong measurements. Luckily I gave the measurements too small, not too big, so we could justify it, that's not the right word, adjust it, and obviously take a little bit extra out in the roof. I tried to make the frame a bit wider, hence why it's not the neatest of frames, but it's done, it's in, I'm excited. We decided not to create a frame, so a lot of van builds will build like a structure on the floor and then cut the foam boards into squares and slot them in between the frame. And do understand the process, obviously structure, security, etc. But we've researched long and hard into it and decided not to do that. What we've done is put a couple of strips of really thin wood around the edge and where the edge dips, and just laid the full foam board on top. We looked into it quite a lot and we've seen a couple of people who actually have done this and it works really well. So for us it was a good idea to reduce weight, reduce time, and obviously it reduces the like I think it's called air gaps or something where like air can get in through, because obviously you're not cutting the foam board, it's not being pushed in something. So yeah, it made a lot of sense to us, and that's what we decided to do, and so far we're quite happy with the result. So we're just about to try and put the girls' chair in finally. Nanny and I have taken them off for half an hour while we try and get it done, because we've been trying all day. So basically we've managed to drill 7 holes in the floor to get the base in. We've figured it out, it all works perfectly fine now. So we have just made these little rods to go underneath, just to give a bit of extra security and strength to the bottom of the van. And obviously if for any reason any screws tie and come out, this will also won't be able to come out. So that's the plan now. And then we can get the last bit of the insulation on the floor in. It'll be good once we can get these chairs in, because then obviously if we do need to go out anywhere and to put any stuff for the van, any wood or anything, we can take the girls with us. And yeah, we don't have to worry about things. So hopefully we can get this in, and then we just need to order some Isofix connectors to get the girls' car seats in. So yeah, fingers crossed, we'll keep you updated.
You good?
No.